Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're in Springfield, Illinois. We've been at a car show. I'm with Brodie, and we're over at the hotel, and the hotel that we're staying in has a... What's that?
Lincoln National.
Okay. The hotel we're staying at this weekend has a Lincoln show, and so we're just going to wander through and show all of these land yacht Lincolns. And Brodie is really knowledgeable when it comes to automobiles, although he did say that he doesn't know a tremendous amount about Lincolns, nor do I, but we're just going to walk through and check it out. And we walked out, and Brodie said, "What do you notice about this car right off the bat?" And I said, "It doesn't have a Landau top."
No vinyl top.
But also, it does have a sunroof,
yeah.
Which is really rare.
Yeah, because normally they put the vinyl top on it to hide any cuts or, when they cut the metal to put the top in.
So that's a unique one, and it's red leather with silver, which is really cool. There's a Mark III right across the way. And how about that powder blue? I don't know what the heck year that is.
Is that about a 50s or late 40s?
I would say late
49?
40s.
I'm thinking 49. Well,
yeah.
Here's the clue, 49 on the plate.
Yeah.
Cosmopolitan.
Now, I was looking at that hood ornament this morning, and look at that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? That is craftsmanship. So the problem is we're kind of two kids in a candy store, and we're just going to wander through here and look. So last night we were at the car show, and Brodie's buddy and Dan's buddy, Tom, has a Mark III, and I just wanted that vent that I just put my hand on. So that is, yeah, Brodie's pointing it out there. That is the vent for the... it would exhaust the air out of the cabin. Yeah. So if you were smoking a cigarette or a cigar, you could exhaust the air out.
It's got a switch on top of on the bottom side of the dash.
Yeah.
Turn it on
and so I'll slide around the front just to show you the front. But it's amazing the technology and just the craftsmanship and the way that things were so well thought out. Now, something else, I noticed Tom had his white headlights flipped up, and I've seen several of these with the lights.
They're vacuum operated, and a lot of times after they sit, they'll retract back up because the vacuum won't hold them down.
Okay, that explains it. So I just want to shoot the driver's side, and then we'll look at this 49 as well. Just an amazing example. I love this chrome, and I'm going to walk around the back, but it goes the length of the vehicle. The chrome trim.
They call it like peak trim.
Oh, is that what it was?
I think, yeah. Mercury used that a lot, too.
Look at that. Just an awesome vehicle. Now, we're, as I said, two kids in a candy store. This video may be boring to most people, but to us, it's pretty damn neat.
Other interesting thing on that, Tom, look at how the headlights are kind of inset.
Yeah. I got to admit, that's not very attractive.
It's different.
Yeah.
It's different that I like it.
Yeah. So we have so many others here. Here's another Mark III. That one looks very similar to Tom's car.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Same color combination. Yeah. And the headlights are down in this one.
Yeah. Try to get that interior gold out.
Yeah. And Tom's is similar to that. Unfortunately, you can see the reflection of me, but you can see the door panel on the other side with the diamond. And then you were saying last night that this window...
I believe it slides
back as opposed to down. Which is so amazing. And it has the Continental kit, and it is a Continental. And then we have a lot of these. Yeah, the Lincoln Versailles, which was really a Ford Granada.
Yeah. Mercury Monarch.
Yeah, all dressed up.
Yeah.
And that was pretty weak, really.
Yeah, it didn't kind of come off as good as the Seville, that Cadillac.
Yeah.
But unique, nonetheless.
But it's worth looking at. So there's...
That was one of the first cars Ford started using clear coat paint on it.
Was it really?
Yeah.
And
I'm not sure what year, but maybe 79, 78.
Okay.
Maybe 80, right in that.
And it's got the vinyl top. Oh, they got the steering wheel lock on it. So essentially, it was a Ford Granada, same hood, same probably fenders, doors.
Yeah,
what
they did, I know on these in 79, Tom, what they did, it had the same roof line as the Granada.
Yeah.
And in 79, 80, they kind of changed it more. They actually spent money and put a cap on it, so the window was more upright like the Seville.
Okay. Trying to salvage their reputation,
right, yeah,
I guess.
To get, differentiate it more from the Granada and the mono.
So I do want to walk up and see this Continental, but before we do, I just want to walk over here because look at this. It's got the window sticker still in the...
That's probably about an 06, 07.
I was going to say late 90s, but we'll see. 05, wow. So we got a sticker price of $49,315, and it's an 05. These drove like like floated down the road.
You know, you're at the end of the rainbow with body on frame.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is a unique vehicle. I was not a big fan of these, but they really rode nice.
Yeah. Lots of isolation.
And then you want to walk up and see the Continental up here. And there's Dan.
Here's a paint. If you can turn around.
Yeah.
There's an interesting one there, that dark cherry or purple.
Yeah.
That's an L. So it actually was a longer version of the town car.
Oh, okay.
They usually use those livery service, chauffeur.
Yeah.
Because you had see the back door size.
Yeah, look at the window on the back door.
How much bigger it is. So they had more leg room and seat room, obviously, in the back.
Yeah. I'll just walk around it real quick, and then we'll head up and see that Lincoln.
It should say on the seat pillar, like it should have an L designation.
Okay.
Probably, yeah. See it? Signature L.
Yeah.
So that would designate that it was a long wheelbase.
Yep, signature L. Very nice. So there's Lincolns all over this parking lot.
And there's obviously the generation before, like a 96, 97.
Yeah.
The end of that more boxy styling. And here's the predecessor before it.
Yep.
On the Panther platform.
Yeah, another Mark III. So we were across town in another show today, so we didn't get to see all of these. I always thought that Lincoln was the ugliest of them all. Unfortunately,
it's different. That was, that was Fox body based, like the Mustang.
Oh yeah, yeah. I never thought of it that way.
Yeah, so that was a Fox body based platform.
I never thought of it.
Star Trek dash, and it's all digital.
Yeah, digital dash. Yeah. I'm wondering if it's got that Instaclear windshield. The windshield. That's got that little filmish look to it. Doesn't it kind of? I don't know. Maybe wrong, but is that an 86? Yeah, it's got that third tail light in the back window. So that's on the roof. I don't remember that. That I don't remember them doing.
You see, this is interesting. The A-pillar here. It's almost flush mount because this is what General Motors was doing.
Flush mount. Or they're trying to do it windshield motors.
They didn't really cut it.
No,
but it's similar to it.
And it's got a dark top too, with a hail dent.
I don't know. They may have painted that. Yeah, I'm wondering if that's factor or not.
And it's got hail damage.
I'm looking at the paint line there in the A-pillar, and I don't.
Yeah.
Doesn't look. Yeah, it doesn't look like something they would have done from the factory.
Yeah. And then Brodie, can we look up here and the Mark III and the Continental, and then we'll wrap this up. So when I was a kid,
like this is 79, so that's the last year of the big boy right here.
Yeah. When I was a kid, August Bush, I grew up by Grant's Farm, and August Bush, Gussie Bush, had one like this, and he had the Anheuser-Busch logo, the eagle.
Oh, really?
On all 4 doors in red. It was a black car. It was just gorgeous.
And look at another one. No vinyl top.
No vinyl top.
Landau top.
Yeah. Which is pretty rare.
Yeah, I know. Awesome looking. Clean looking.
Yeah.
And if I'm not mistaken, I think that year, 79, they didn't put the 460 anymore. You only get a 400 2-barrel.
Holy crap.
And I don't know if the 460 was optional. I don't think it was. I think they were trying, to get MPGs up and, corporate average fuel economy and such.
And here's a newer one, which you can see at a dealership now. But here is the creme de la creme. What a beautiful, beautiful.
63.
Wow. So was Kennedy shot in a 63 or was it a 62? Might have been a 61.
61 or 2, yeah. And that's what they always nickname these, the Kennedy Lincolns.
Yeah. And this is a 63. Looks like red leather.
Red leather, Wimbledon white, and black top. It's a pretty combination.
Yeah. And just the back, just so beautiful.
The detail work on that infill panel on the trunk lid.
Yeah. And then I guess this would be the gas filler.
Yes, I would assume so, yeah.
Yeah.
I can see one on the side, so yep.
Dual exhaust. Just beautiful. And a Mark 71 Mark III next to it. I'm going to walk down the passenger side, then we'll look at the Mark III, and then we'll wrap it up. I'm paying Brodie by the hour, and I'm getting to the point where I can't afford you, Brodie.
Sorry, Tom.
Just beautiful. And then the 71 Mark III. Just look at the paint. It looks.
That's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
Zero in on that grill too, man. It looks just before that.
So there's a whole parking lot. Here's the Landau top that you were talking about, Brodie.
That's a 78. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm thinking the vinyl top may have been standard. So it may have been like a no-charge option.
Yeah.
But again, I'm not a
vinyl top delete.
To know, but
Yeah.
I think it's so clean without one.
Yeah. A vinyl top delete.
Yeah.
Well, we'll wrap things up. Thank you so much, Brodie, for coming along on this ride.
Appreciate it, Tom.
And
a Lincoln aficionado, but
yeah,
definitely appreciate the heritage and the timeless styling of it.
absolutely. Well, thanks again. Leave a comment, question below. We'll catch you on the next video.